Hello friends! Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, where we make beautiful homes accessible for everyone. Today we're transforming an entire farmhouse with that signature Joanna Gaines Christmas style. Think cozy, warm, and absolutely stunning. If you're ready to bring Hearth and Hand magic into your home without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our design inspiration. Drop a comment below telling us your favorite farmhouse Christmas element. Let's create something beautiful together. Your farmhouse facade sets the tone for the entire Christmas experience. Embrace classic board and batten siding in crisp white or soft greige, accented with black windows for that modern farmhouse aesthetic. Add a simple evergreen wreath with burlap ribbon to your front door, and flank the entrance with galvanized metal buckets filled with fresh pine branches and white lights. Consider a wooden ladder leaning against the exterior, decorated with string lights and small ornaments. This layered approach creates what designers call visual interest, meaning your eye has multiple beautiful things to discover, making your home feel intentional and welcoming from the very first glance. Your entryway is where farmhouse meets function during the holidays. Install rustic coat hooks in aged bronze or black. Joanna loves metals that feel authentic and lived in. Below, place a reclaimed wood bench with woven baskets underneath for shoe storage. Above the bench, hang a large rectangular mirror with a simple wood frame, then tuck fresh eucalyptus stems behind it for organic texture. Add a galvanized tray for keys and mail, and layer a jute mat with a smaller Christmas-themed doormat. The key here is curated clutter. Everything has a purpose but feels effortlessly arranged, like it's always belonged there. The living room is where Joanna's magic truly shines. Start with a neutral foundation. A linen or cotton slipcover sofa in cream or oatmeal creates that relaxed, washable luxury farmhouse-style loves. Drape a chunky knit throw in charcoal or forest green across one arm. For Christmas, add plaid pillows in classic red and black buffalo check, mixed with cream cable knit cushions. Place a reclaimed wood coffee table at the center, styled with a dough bowl filled with fresh greenery, mercury glass votives, and vintage books. This is layered styling, building dimension by mixing textures, heights, and natural elements for a collected over time feel. Your fireplace mantle deserves special attention. Joanna's signature look combines symmetry with organic elements. Start with a large wooden or metal sign as your anchor piece, then add matching white ceramic pitchers on each end filled with mixed greenery and cotton stems. Layer in battery-operated candles at varying heights, small vintage frames with family photos, and wooden bead garland draped casually across. The technique here is asymmetrical balance, not perfectly matched, but visually weighted equally on both sides. Add a simple evergreen garland along the mantel edge, keeping it loose and natural rather than overly manicured for that effortless farmhouse charm. Transform your dining space with affordable farmhouse elegance. Use a simple linen table runner in natural flax down the center of your wooden table. Create a centerpiece using a long wooden tray filled with pillar candles, pine cones, and small evergreen clippings from your yard. Set each place with white stoneware plates, vintage-inspired flatware, and simple cotton napkins tied with twine and a sprig of rosemary. Add stemless wine glasses for casual elegance. This approach is called elevated simplicity, using everyday items in thoughtful ways that feel special. The beauty isn't in expensive items, but in how you arrange them with intention and care. Your farmhouse kitchen can feel festive without sacrificing functionality. Keep countertops mostly clear, but add a wooden cutting board leaning against the backsplash, topped with a small evergreen arrangement. Style open shelving with white ironstone dishes, interspersed with small evergreen wreaths. Hang a garland across the window above your sink, keeping it simple and natural. Near your coffee station, add a small galvanized tray with a hand-lettered chalkboard sign saying, "Merry and Bright." The principle here is strategic styling, adding Christmas touches only where they enhance rather than clutter your workspace, maintaining the clean lines that make farmhouse kitchens so practical and beautiful. Farmhouse cabinets deserve thoughtful Christmas touches. If you have glass front cabinets, tuck small evergreen sprigs behind your everyday dishes for subtle festivity. Add small battery tea lights on upper cabinet shelves for a warm glow. Consider swapping regular cabinet knobs for vintage-style cup bowls during the holidays, or simply tie small plaid ribbons around existing hardware. Inside open lower cabinets, place a woven basket filled with plaid throws for easy access. This is about micro moments of delight, small details that surprise and charm without overwhelming the space. Remember, in farmhouse design, restraint is just as important as decoration. Create the ultimate cozy zone around your flat-screen TV by embracing what designers call hygge, that Danish concept of comfort and contentment. Mount your TV above a rustic console table, then flank it with tall white ceramic vases filled with branches or cotton stems. Add a chunky knit poof for extra seating, and layer a vintage-inspired area rug over hardwood or concrete floors. String simple Edison bulb lights along the ceiling beam or around a large window. Place a wooden tray on the coffee table with hot cocoa supplies, ceramic mugs, a small chalkboard menu, and a vintage milk bottle with candy canes. Your home office can be productive and festive simultaneously. Choose a simple wooden desk with clean lines and pair it with a comfortable upholstered chair and a neutral linen. Add a small vintage-inspired radio for background Christmas music. This creates ambience without distraction. Place a unique wooden or brass desk clock nearby, and use galvanized metal containers for pens and supplies. Hang a small wreath above your desk or prop one on a shelf. Add a single strand of warm white lights along a floating shelf. This demonstrates intentional zoning, creating a space that serves multiple purposes while maintaining visual coherence and holiday spirit without feeling unprofessional. Carve out a reading nook that invites you to slow down and savor the season. Position a comfortable upholstered chair near a window with good natural light. Add a floor lamp with an adjustable arm for evening reading. Choose one with an aged bronze or black finish. Drape a plaid wool throw over the chair arm and add a sheepskin or faux fur pillow for texture contrast. Place a small round side table next to the chair for your coffee or tea, styled with a stack of Christmas books and a small potted evergreen. This is what designers call a moment, a perfectly styled vignette that serves a real purpose and invites you to pause. Your bedroom should be a serene retreat during the busy holiday season. Keep the Christmas decor minimal and soothing here. Dress your bed in white or cream linen bedding, then add a plaid flannel duvet or throw at the foot for warmth and pattern. Place matching white ceramic lamps on simple wooden nightstands and tuck small evergreen sprigs in vintage milk bottles beside them. Hang a simple evergreen wreath above the bed or lean a larger one against the wall on a dresser. This follows the principle of restful design, using holiday elements that enhance calm rather than create visual noise, ensuring your bedroom remains a peaceful sanctuary. Even your bathroom deserves farmhouse Christmas charm. Above your wastafel or vanity, swap your regular mirror frame with one wrapped in a simple evergreen garland, keeping it loose and organic. Roll white towels and place them in a wire basket or wooden crate, tied with plaid ribbon. Add a small white ceramic tray near the sink with luxury hand soap in an amber glass bottle and a white votive candle. In the shower area, hang eucalyptus from your shower head. It releases a spa-like scent with the steam. This is sensory design, engaging not just sight but smell and touch to create a complete experience. Don't neglect your farmhouse garage. This functional space can have holiday charm too. Install simple pegboard walls painted in black or dark gray for tool storage, adding small wreaths or garland between sections. Use galvanized metal bins and wooden crates for organized storage, labeled with hand-lettered tags. If you have a workbench, keep it clean but add a small potted evergreen and a vintage lantern with a battery candle. Paint your garage door in a classic black or charcoal for curb appeal. This demonstrates whole home thinking, treating every space, even utilitarian ones, as part of your overall design story and worth thoughtful attention. Your farmhouse patio becomes magical with the right Christmas touches. Arrange simple wooden Adirondack chairs around a fire pit, adding plaid blankets draped over the backs. String cafe-style lights overhead in a zigzag pattern for ambience. Place large galvanized planters filled with evergreen branches and red twig dogwood near the entrance. Add an outdoor rug in a durable jute or synthetic material to define the space. Set up a small wooden console table against the house exterior with a tray of enamelware mugs ready for outdoor entertaining. This is indoor-outdoor flow, extending your interior style seamlessly into exterior spaces. Lighting transforms your farmhouse from pretty to magical. Layer your lighting using what designers call the rule of three: ambient, task, and accent lighting. Use Edison bulbs in pendant fixtures for ambient warmth, add task lighting like swing arm lamps where needed, and accent with candles and string lights. Choose fixtures in matte black or aged bronze finishes. During Christmas, double your candlelight using battery-operated options for safety. The warm glow of properly layered lighting creates that cozy, intimate feeling Joanna Gaines designs are famous for, making every room feel like a hug. Stick to a cohesive color palette throughout your home. Joanna's signature Christmas look includes creamy whites, warm woods, matte blacks, soft greens, and touches of classic red through plaid patterns. This is called a neutral foundation with purposeful pops, keeping most elements in timeless neutrals while adding seasonal color through easily changeable textiles and accessories. Avoid trendy colors that might date your look. The beauty of this palette is its versatility and longevity. These colors photograph beautifully, feel welcoming in person, and allow your natural materials and textures to become the true stars of your design story. Texture is the secret weapon of affordable farmhouse design. Mix smooth linen with chunky knits, rough reclaimed wood with smooth ceramics, soft wool with crisp cotton. This technique, called textural layering, creates visual richness without spending a fortune on individual pieces. For Christmas, add natural textures like pine cones, raw wood slices, burlap ribbon, and fresh greenery. These organic elements cost little but deliver enormous impact. When you combine multiple textures in one vignette, say, a wooden bowl filled with wool felt balls next to a linen napkin and metal candlestick, you create depth and interest that reads as high-end design. Let's talk sourcing. For that Hearth Hand look on a budget, shop Target's Hearth Hand line first, then supplement with finds from HomeGoods, Hobby Lobby during their 50% off sales, and local thrift stores for vintage pieces. Don't overlook your own yard for fresh greenery. Free always fits the budget. Amazon carries great dupes for expensive farmhouse items. Create a clip file, save images of looks you love, then shop your own home first to see what you already have. This is resourceful design, achieving the look through smart shopping and creativity rather than unlimited spending. The best farmhouse style feels collected over time anyway. Add personality through simple DIY projects. Create your own wooden bead garland by painting wooden beads white and stringing them on twine. Make a hand-lettered sign using a wooden board, white paint, and a chalk marker. No fancy equipment needed. Fill clear glass hurricanes with Epsom salt for a snow effect and Nestle battery candles inside. Tie plaid bows from fabric scraps around existing wreaths. These personal touches are what designers call signature elements, unique details that make your space distinctly yours rather than looking exactly like a catalog. Joanna herself started with DIY projects, and that handmade quality remains central to farmhouse style's authentic appeal. Friends, you now have everything you need to create a stunning Joanna Gaines-inspired Christmas farmhouse on any budget. Remember, farmhouse style is about authenticity, comfort, and connection, not perfection. Start with one room, use what you have, and add pieces slowly. Focus on natural materials, neutral foundations, and personal touches that tell your family's story. The beauty of this style is its accessibility and timelessness. These aren't trends that will look dated next year. This is classic design with heart. If this video inspired you, please hit that like button and subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for more affordable design inspiration. Comment below with which room you'll tackle first. Until next time, happy decorating and Merry Christmas!